First possession, red team. Number 27, Marcalio. Looking for his teammate. Number 3, 4 to shoot. Number 3, kick out. 10 to shoot. Drive. Shot. Rebound by number 30 for number 4. Number 4 to Cope. Cope was number 4. Ganda ng pasa. Ganda ng tira. 2 points by number 12. 2-0. Number 2, getting the play. Number 0. Number, no good. Number 1, rebound. Nice pass. Number 27, 2 points.
Uwi ka na!
The block on 2. Number 13, Cole. Number 22, 2 points by number 22. Number 2, setting the play. Number 2 to number 1. Number 1, no good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4. Pass to, oh, nice pass by number 12. No good. The big man, number 5, number 3. Sia, zigzagging move, right, and one. Foul by number 12. Number 12, first personal foul, first team foul, bonus shot for number 3. Sia. Okay, ready, jumper? Okay, no good. Rebound by Ko. Oh. Number 4, 2 points. 6 minutes for the first quarter. 2 points lead for the black team. Apresto. To number 0. Number 0, drive. 14 to shoot. Number 2, Apresto, drive, kick out. To number 3, 3 point. Change favor. 7-6. 5 minutes and 25 seconds for the first quarter. Number 4, drive, kick out. To number 30. Puwersa, no good. Rebound by number 3, Sia. Sia to number 27. Number 27 to Apresto. Apresto. Side step, nice pass to number 1. No good. Rebound by Ko. Pass break play, but still by number 3. Sia. Cross over move, Sia. To number 27, Margario. 2 points. 9-6.
Tama ka na!
3-point lead for the black team. Not for the red team, brother. Ram. To Ko. Ko. In and out. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Foul. Blocking foul by number 22. Number 22 is first personal foul. Second team foul for the black team. Fourth point to shoot. Sia. Time to shoot. Number 0 to Sia. Sia for the 3 point. 12-6, 6-point lead. 4 minutes. Oh, right. Spin move. No good. Apresto. 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 Looking for teammates. To Sia. Sia. Back-to-back 3 points for Sia. 15-6, 9-point lead. 3 minutes and 35 seconds for the first quarter.
Thank you sa videographer natin.
Round.
Comedy stable.
Oh, shout out sa mga tigaliwa dyan. 3 points! By number 13, Cole. 3 minutes and 15. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 13, Cole. Oh, Nice pass for the big man. Oh, still. Sia to number 0. Oh, it's a traveling violation. 3 minutes. Chef. Oh. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 12. Number 4 round drive. Using the board. In and out. Rebound by number 22. For the big man, up by foul. Okay, down. Foul by number 0. Number 0, first personal foul. First team foul. Time out. Red team. Time left 2 minutes and 15. 15-9. 6-point lead for the red team. Wow, the ball game and line inbound. 4 time to shoot. Number 32 to number 12. No good. Apresto. Ito na si Apresto. 3 on 3. Apresto drive. 2 points. 4 minutes. 17-9. 8-point lead for the red team. Heading the play. To number 30 for the big man. Drive, kick out to Cole. 3 points. 17-12. 5-point lead for the red team. 1 minute and 30.
Pag nag-time out, pag hindi nagamit, gamitin sa second quarter. Hindi na, time out kami.
Number 3, 40 to shoot. Apresto drive, jump trap, no good. Rebound by Cole, pass with play to number 4 round. 2 points. 1 minute and 10. Sia, haras by number 4. Sia, 40 to shoot, kick out to number 3. No good. 55 seconds. 14 to shoot. Sorry. Rebound by the black team for the round. 35 seconds. Round kick out to number 30. Drive, foul. Foul to number 1. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throw. First throw, no good. Oh, ready, second throw. Oh, no good. 15 seconds. Sia, drive. To number 27, no good. 5 seconds. Basa na lang to. Okay, now the first quarter score, 17-14, 3-point lead for the red team.
Alright, third quarter tayo. Red ball, 43-31, Sia, the main man. Guarded by Philip Ko. Okay, ball away, Black, nice team by Ko. Pass break to Paner. Paner, 1-1 against Chef. Paner, no good, rebound for Paner.
Tatlo na yun siya. Oy! Kulong po, lagi.
Same ball. Fair ball.
Iba yung sunugin yung bola.
Yun ang foul.
2 points for who's number 30. Please shoot.
Lalim.
Nice pass to Taufik. Correct, so no good, but there's a wheel, there's a foul, Mr. Taufik. How many foul, Taufik? Ano, mabigat si Taufik. Ayun, dito nag-ano, Taufik, mabigat ka raw. Huwag kayong gano'n, hindi na makita sa katawan eh. Hindi na mabigat siya si Taufik, magaang yan. Magaang kung mag-foul. Pasok ha? Oh, second free throw for Mr. Torres. 46-33, second free throw is good. 37-33, 4-point lead for Team Blackwood. Shout out to our viewers, 1,000 viewers outside and inside. Shout out sa inyo. Happy viewing. Shout out Mr. Alex Calleja. 14 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds. Ten. Ay, 6 minutes. Ay, traveling. Nice score, right? 5 minutes and 50. Oh, reserve subnet ha. Okay. Foul. Subnet. Time out pa po sa Aris. Time out. Black. With 5 minutes and 15 seconds, official score 37-33 in favor of Black. You're watching Liwan Basketball Season 3 community game is brought to us by Banjam, the official tailor ng ating Liwan Basketball, and Liwan, the official tailor and table of Liwan Basketball, community basketball. Sige sir, pasok na. Nasa loob ka na eh. Paalala lang po basketball laro natin hindi volleyball. 6 kayo, Red. Red, 6 kayo, Red. Paalala lang. Mr. Chef. Okay, Chef. No problem. Chef, if you don't mind, you can bring the water, Chef. Hi, ma'am. Sorry, mama. Later, you will be with Chef. No problem. Later after the game. 37-45. 4 minutes and 50. Philipco, the businessman, to Saram. Forrest, 14 seconds to shoot. Ram for 3. Short, rebound by the big man. To the point guard, all the way. Headlock. 37. Shout out to mom all the way. May bata. Whoever the parents of the children, please. Deadlock. Businessman, Philipco. Pass to Mr. Ram. Back to businessman for 3. No good rebound by number 26 to Panel. 10 to shoot. What a D by Taufik. Rebound by Sia to the point guard. Nice pass, McDonald! 2 points. McDonald, sunod dito may Jollibee na rin kasali. Ano may ano na si Boss Ryan. Pilit ko. 39-37 for 3 to Sturo. What a D, what a save. Taufik, pass to number 3. Point guard, back to Taufik. Ay, Taufik, dribble first. Oo, tumiretso ng araro agad eh. Buti na lang. Philip ko. Bruce Mamet. Foul number 20, Mr. McDonald. Oy, sa Boss Ryan, 4 ka na. Tapusin mo na, huwag ka na magpapalit. Minutes na lang eh. Ayaw nila mawala ka, Boss Ryan. Sub ka na, 4 ka na ha. Boss Ryan. 1 minute and 45, 39-37 favor Fred Ram. Nice steal by number 2 to Marcelo. 1-on-1 against Paner. Rebound by Paner. What a D by Mr. Paner to Ram. To Corres. Paddy against Sia. Ram. Deadlock again. 39 all. Ganda yung match-up nila. Oh. Talagang katawanan. 39 all. Apresto. The point guard. Pass to Taufik. Back to Taufik. Right. Nice D by Mr. Paner with 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Next game, be ready. White versus blue.
Kuya Aris.
Grabe ang sapat ng grupo. Nasa gilid ka na. Talaga namang pinalilisan pa ni Mr. Calleja. Kapatid pala niya si Mr. Alex. 35 seconds. Nice pass. What a pass. By Philip Ko. 30 seconds. 41-39. Sia.
Talas.
14 to shoot. For 3. No good rebound by Paner. Shot clock now 15 seconds. Paner. Pass to Corres. To Paner. What a D. What? Basket count. With a foul for number 21. Morales. Ay, naka-buzzer na lang. Ayan na. Bonus free throw for Paner. Ay, okay, that's the end of our third quarter official score. Black 43, red 39.
Ready? 4 for 3. Number. Number 21, Margalio. To number Marcelo. Oy, traveling by Marcelo.
Galing pa kasi Abu Dhabi.
Number 4 round. No good. Up. Okay, still. Ganda na ng pasa lang. 2 points by number 27. Marcelo. Margalio. Foul by Marcelo, number 1. 21. First foul, first team foul. Number 4, ganda na pasa. Number 22, 2 points. Number 7, 27. Number 21, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Shot for 3. no good. A foul. Foul by number 20. First foul, second team foul. Number 4. No good. Rebound by Seth. Apresto. Pass to number 20. 14 to shoot. No good. Up. Offensive foul by number 20. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Oh for 3. No good. Rebound by Shep. Okay, 2 and 2. Marcelo. Fake. Reverse. No good. Marcelo Bird. 10 to shoot.
Dito mo, Lon.
Here. Ito na, solo na. Number 22. Already 2 points. 19-18 siya lang. 7 minutes. Chef kick out to number 21. 3 point. 22-18. Oy, basket count! At may kasama pang foul. Foul by number 27. Ball shot for Mr. Cole. Pasok. 22-21.
Dahan na lang kayo.
6 minutes. Sige, kunin mo na siya. Running time. Atlas to still. Pass break play. 2 on 1. Oy, 2 points. Time out. Red team change favor. 23-22. 5 minutes and 51.
Gulang mo doon. Gulang mo doon, Rav. Ito ko yan, ang gulang mo doon. Ang gulang mo doon. Bakit? Ang gulang mo doon. Gulang ka? Hindi ka tumalo, napiti siya. Time out kayo, mga 4 minutes.
Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, official score 23-22 with 5 minutes 51 in second quarter. You're watching Liwan Basketball Season 3. Season 3. Dali lang. Change referee, may referee. Sorry. Yung pinalitan. De, ano lang. Okay.
May sub din pala sa rep. Third quarter.
Oh, si PBA, talo yung nebra kaya... Oh, talo yung nebra kaya masama, medyo maano yan. Ang sakit ng manok.
Huwag ka lang mag-refine mamaya kay Danny, baka may pagbuntungan.
Ay, de. Alright, this ball game is brought to us by Gulaman at Sagon ni Peter ko. Ano Philip ko? Peter ko. Yung ano pala yan. Okay, number 4 to Philip ko. Pull up, no good. Rebound by Mr. McDonald. Yan, pass to the point guard. Number 2. Nice pass. Yung pass lang maganda. Yan, pero pass lang rin pala yun. Nice pass. Ay, nako. Inbound violation yan. Ako, malupit po ang ano natin. Mga referee, malinaw ang mata niya.
Malinaw.
Referee Bobet. 24-23. 1 point lead for the red team. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice steal, but outside.
Wrong. Side. Hindi makita na
12 to shoot.
Steffi!
Ay, naku na naman.
Ako din.
Be careful to the line. Because the referee is always watching only the line. So be careful. I shout out to our videographer. Jeremy, yeah. Next game po sila. Si Jeremy Lin. Ay,
Alex, sabi dyan.
si ano, yung mention sa Netflix yung... Oh, pinanood ko yun sa Netflix eh, si Alex Calero. Komedyante na rin siya.
Uy, nag-jersey nga oh. Pwede ka sumab.
McDonald. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo, guarded by number 22, walang move, 14 to shoot. Uy, busy. Uy, foul number 22, busy ang Pito Records. Busy.
Medyas, basketball gears.
Kailangan mo yan yan. Discount, liwan eh.
Oo. Liwan ng nakalagay. 2 points. If you want quality and durable socks, contact Mr. Porco. 2 points for Mr. McDonald. Magkano how much? 41 pair. 35. 1 pair 35. Durable, portable. Oh, what a pass by Bosram to number 26. 27-26. 1 point lead for the black team. Marcelo, guarded by number 12, pass to McDonald. No good. Oh, si Boss Ryan ang mascot ng McDonald's, kaya ganyan ang buhok. Ay, naka Mr. Paner. I told you. Label purse. Label purse. Eto na, Marcelo. Marcelo. What a move by Marcelo. 2 points. Another 1 point lead. Seesaw battle by both teams. 28-27, 2 minutes. Once again, you're watching D1 Basketball Season 3. Is officiated and tabled by Wirep. And, okay, reserve timeout, ref, ha? 29-28. Okay. The point guard for 3, no good. Rebound, top to number 26. All along number 12. Ay, nako! Hindi umabot yung boarding. Marcelo, pull-up jumper, short, rebound to number 26, 1 minute and 20 in our second quarter. Reserve timeout ref to Pilipco, the businessman. Mga ko, businessman talaga, ha? Si Pero, businessman, sapatos. Oh, hey, 31, another 2 points for number 26. Oh, punito. Ayan. Foul. Timeout. Black. With 1 minute and 1 second, official score 31. Black team. 28 to red team. Ayan. Philip ko. Foul. Next game, white versus blue. Ah, okay. Wala namang umiinom. Game na tayo. Wala namang nainom. Wala rin nabilig gulaman. Wala rin pinapadalang gulaman. Ay. Yung mga gusto ng mga ano dyan, ha? Businessman is here. Pearl. Ayan, yung mga gustong quality bag, sack, t-shirt, shorts. Merchandise. Shot for 3. Bang! Shot. 3 point. This 3 point is brought to you by One Jump Tailoring. 31 all. No. Pag tayo bibili, 20 na lang yung pwede. Ay, may foul. Who's foul? That foul, Mr. McDonald. Penalty rep. Penalty. Sige, running time to.
Kaya pa yung first game sa ang layo, nandito na kayo, rinig pa eh. Kahit yung usapan dun sa alam
Tutunog na lang to. Sige na, punta na lang sa bed. Okay, pasok ang isa. Ilan ba rep pumasok? Dalawa. Kompleto, 33-31. Okay, 1 hour break. Ryan and si Surpa. Hindi ko alam yung ilan yung mga commissioner. Thank you, Liwan Admin, for trusting Hira. What a rebound by Chef Apresto. Apresto all the way. Oh, nice deep by Ram. Oh, what a steal by the businessman. Philip ko, Pasto Corres. Buti na lang nakakatakbo pa. Corres. What a D by Chef. What a D. Nice D. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Three point. Parang tinisiguro mo sa akin, sir. Parang hindi ko.
mo kita.
Hindi, nag-serious naman. Sa businessman for three. But siya, miss by rebound by Ram. To shoot.
Wala pa din. Yun!
Time out! Ayoko sabihin na parang ngayon. Sat na gulpin. 7 minutes and 43 seconds, 48-39. Tayo sport.
Ilabas ko siya. Huwag tayo madali nga na naman tayo. Pag lumabas si Sia, yamado na ako.
Basta walang sundot para sa sundot. Ganyan lang yan, dadrive lang.
7 minutes and 43 seconds. We are over. Sige sir, pwede yung mag-shot. Mas Brian, apat ka na.
Bola!
7 minutes and 43. Yan, Marcelo. Okay, for three, rebound. Miss, rebound by number 26. Pass to the point guard, number 4. Black team, they're leading by 9 points. 48-39. Ram. Pass to 14 seconds to shoot. Torres. Guarded by Sia. Badi. Oh, what a matchup. What a matchup. Sia against Torres. Here comes the red team. Apresto all the way, no good, but there's a whistle. There's a foul by number 4, Mr. Ram. How many foul, Mr. Ram? Second personal foul. First team foul. Apresto. First free throw is good. Yan, shout out to Madam. Madam, shout out to you. Kenya, from shout out Madam Brenda of Kenya. Thank you for supporting Liwan Community Basketball. Oh, Big Daddy is over here. Big Daddy, how are you? Shout out to you, Mr. Cordy, Big Daddy. Ram to Corres, 14 seconds to shoot. What a pass to guy. No good. Another. What a stop. Nice D, but there's a whistle. Another foul for number 3, Sia. First personal foul. First team fouls. 6 minutes remaining. Yan. Oh, first free throw. Aba, may pilantik ka pa, sir. Ha? May pilantik, ha? Confirm. Confirm. May mga pilantik na yan, oh. Meow. Airball. Stop it! Airball. Meow. Wait.
Last one!
minutes and 15 seconds. Ram, pull-up jumper. Confident si Sir Ram. Oh, what a hustle by Mr. Paner. Pablet, ayan, tatapusin na. Tatapusin na ni Boss Ryan ang kanyang foul o yung laban. May apat din siyang foul. Grabe yung sapatos. Oh, magandang trabaho sa McDonald's. May sponsor ng sapatos. So, tignan mo, may ML sapatos. Oo, kaya nga. Sarap pag mga malalakas ang katungkulan mo dyan eh. Oh, good. Oy, Marcelo! Oy, pwede pa yan ha. 48-42, 6-point lead for Team Black with 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ganyan na ganyan, humagabol ng San Miguel sa Inebra. Itotot sa Inebra fans, bawi na lang.
Next season.
14 seconds to shoot. 10. Oy, Corres pull up, no good. Air ball, rebound by Sia. Here comes the red team, 3 on 2, 3 on 3. Sia all the way, all the way. Is brought to us by Miss Brenda of Kenya. I always saying all the way. The businessman. Euro step to Ram, pull up jumper, short rebound by Chef. Sige, sir. Chef. Pass to Presto. Oh, what a steal by Paner. Here comes the black team, 2 on 2. Ram, pass to the businessman. Philip Ko. Gula, Malatsagos. Wala. Okay, time out, sir. Time out. Black team. With 3 minutes and 28 seconds. Score, 48 black, 44 red. With 3 minutes and 28. Ang black, isa na lang timeout nyo, sir, ha? Ang red, may dalawa pa, ha? Yan. How are you, sir? Mr. Yakmur. Shout out to Mr. Yakmur and Mr. Oh, shout out Mr. Yakmur and Mr. Boganim. Boganim, sir? Correct me if I'm wrong, sir, ha? Boganim, because in the Philippines, Boganim is plants. Sia, power play. 2 points. 48. Isa na lang. 48-46, 3 minutes and 11 seconds. Philip Ko, the businessman on the drive. Easy. 2 points for Philip Ko. 4-point lead for Black with 2 minutes and 55 in our 4th and final quarter. Once again, you're watching Liwan Community Basketball Season 3. Sia! 3-point! This 3-point is brought to us by Banjak Tailoring, the official tailor ng ating Liwan Community Basketball. 50-49, 2 minutes and 30. The businessman Philip Ko, what a screen by Ram. There's a foul. Foul number 2, Apresto. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 minutes pa tayo stopwatch, ha?
Take time.
Yan, kuya daw. Oy, shout out also to businessman. Pierre, merchandise naman kanya, mga socks, bag, shorts. Yan, mga po, businessman, ha? At sa Pilipinas, businessman din yun, eh. 2 minutes last. 2 minutes. Second free throw is pagkakataon, ha? Pagkakataon, chance for the red team to take a lead.
Pierre.
1 minute and 50 with 14 seconds to shoot. Apresto. Pass to Marcelo. Open for 3. Marcelo to me-point. Now red team regain the lead 52-50. What a spin by the businessman Philip Ko. Corres. The ball no good, but there's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul number 0. Chef, second personal foul. 13 foul, 1 minute and 30. Okay. Dalawa pa, sir. Okay. Okay, sige sir ha. Okay, acknowledge. Resort timeout, ref. Pag na-shoot, timeout. 1 minute and 30, 50-50. Second free throw. No good. Rebound. Same ball. Timeout. Timeout. Red. With 1 minute and 27 seconds, official score 50. Black team 52 on red. Yeah.
Tayo. Para pagkatin nyo lang si Kuya. Ikaw na mag-inbound kata. Ikaw muna kumatsusun ako. Advance kayo sa dalawa. Kalikot.
Okay, sige, wala namang umiinom. Good na tayo. Yung next game natin, maganda laban ito next game. White versus blue. 13 foul pa lang kayo. Both team, tag-isang out. First team foul lang sa black, third team foul sa red. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 27. Oh, what a save still by Marcelo. Jump ball. Red ball. Okay, black ball. Same ball. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 1 minute 24. 10 seconds. What a steal by Sia. Down. What a foul. Foul Forest. 2 points lang yan, ha? Kaya-kaya yan. 1 minute and 21. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Tagal pa yan, ha? Pwede pang ano tayo dito. Shoutout lang sa mga nasa gilid. Traveling muna. Boss, saka yung video mo, boss. Huwag mo lang, ninenervous ako eh. Dalawa lang yan, ha? Philip ko, guarded by Chef. Nice pass. What a pass! Almost deadlock. All 52, number 26. 1 minute and 5 seconds. What a ball game. 52 all. Marcelo, guarded by Ram. Marcelo, 14 seconds to shoot. 14, 10. Marcelo. 5, 45 seconds. Wala yan. 40 seconds. Wala pa rin. 35 seconds. Ram. Oh. Time out. Red. Oy. Nabaliktad na naman. 54, 52. Red, wala lang time out, ha? Wala lang time out. Okay, once again, you're watching Liwan Community Basketball. Last 28 seconds. 54, 52. 14 seconds to shoot by 14 seconds. Di pa. Black. 2 fouls to give. Ang white, 1 fouls to give. Ang black, ha, may fouls to give pa kayong dalawa para bago mag-penalty. Quarantine. 10 to shoot. 17 seconds. Who's foul rep?
Pierre.
Warning for penalty. Who's foul rep? Okay. Boss Ryan, sandali.
Wait.
Mr. Ryan McDonald. Five fouls. Warning for penalty on red. Ay, penalty. With 16 seconds. Pwede pa yan, ha? Pwede pa. Ay, wala na kayo timeout, boss.
Dalawa lang kami. Thank you.
Na ano na, boss, nag-hack to minsan eh, sa lakas ng boses. Hoy, sigurado yan, boss, ha? Sigurado yan, hoy, may sponsor na kami.
Sure. Sabay.
Boss, hindi marunong yan, ha? 52 pala. Ayan, 55-52. Yun pa lang score. Oy, 16 seconds. Ano ba yan? 14. Ano ako po? 9 seconds.
Kuya Aris, Kuya Aris.
55-52, 9 seconds. Ay, may ano pa ha? May timeout pa kayo, Black ha? Okay, sige sir. I'll advance timeout. Nako, nasa kami ni Mr. Sia. Noong nakaraang game ha, overtime din laro nila ha. Overtime. Dami nila sila play sa free throw ha, noong nakaraan. Ewan natin ngayon. Wow! Oy, shout out to mga fans niyan. Shout out sa inyo mga madam. Shout out. Dalawa pa. Oy! Miss Brenda, you said you got it. Not all the way, you got it.
9 seconds.
One more free throw to tie the ball game. Reserve timeout, ref ha? Timeout! Black. Both team, no more timeout. 55 all. Wala ka nervous yung kamay ni Mr. Sia. Ha? Red, penalty kayo. Ay.
Susunod kami nila so pagsalaksak tayo. Penalty sila. Penalty na yan. Ako na maglalabas para makakuha kayo. Ako na.
Okay, last 9 seconds. No more shot clock. No more heart. Oh. Too much English, huh? No speaking in dollar, no dropping the jersey, said our referee. 9 seconds. Oh, tutulog na lang. Oh, marapas! Marapas! Ay! 3 seconds. Mawawala yung gulaman namin ito. Mawawala yung sponsor namin ito. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Buzzer na lang ha. Buzzer na lang. Maririnig nyo.
Score.
Okay, score natin all 55. Okay. Ilang minuto? Mukhang mawawala yung sponsor namin gulaman. Bale, hindi. Oh, 2 siya yung shoot.
Chef.
Chef! What a shot by Chef. That's why mom is very happy. Oy,
offensive.
Okay ka lang, Mr. Marcelo. Penalty, number 21. Okay ka lang, Mr. Marcelo. Oh, sige. Kasi pag hindi ka okay, titignan natin. Crucial free throw for Mr. Philip Go, the businessman. First is good. 57-56. Second free throw. It's also clear the net. Deadlock. 2 minutes and 10. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes brought to you by
Double nyo.
30 seconds to shoot.
Sa right lang siya, sa right.
Yeah.
Family. Sub.
Sige, stop.
Right.
Stop, rep. Not counting yung paano. High school, rep?
Okay lang.
Oh, pero kanina, review namin na. 1 minute and 35. Ay, nako, bakit kayo nagpa-foul? Penalty kayo, number 2. Oh, last 1 minute pa tayo stopwatch ha. Third personal foul. Crucial free throw again for Mr. Businessman. First. Meow. 1 minute pa, sir. 1 minute pa. Sir, hindi ka nakikinig sir sa in-announce ko kanina, sir. Last 1 minute stop pass. O yan, stop pass na tayo. Isa lang ang lamang, ha? Sia, spin, fake.
Good!
Usorat, foul number 22, Paner. Personal foul. Sandali na sir, relax. Sinabi ko lang, napalakas lang yung Paner. Third personal pa lang, sir. Relax. Oy, crucial free throw. Oy, kanina tatlo pinasok ni Sia. Tingnan natin ngayon. First free throw. Swak. Deadlock. Oo, surpo si Mr. Sia. Sabi nga, pag may puso, may kaba. Pag may kaba, nervyoso. Ayan. Second free throw. 2 for 2. Wala. 50 seconds, ha? 1 point lead for Red, 59-58. Both team in penalty. Both team in penalty. 40 seconds. Ang ganda ng ikot. 35 seconds, 14 to shoot. To businessman, Philip Ko. 10. 5. 18 seconds. Who's para? Foul number 2, Presto. Fourth personal foul. May timeout pa rin, ha? Meron pa. Black, may isa rin. Naku, na naman ito. Naku. Umatras. Quiet lang tayo. Wala naman ingay. Ay! Yes, basket timeout, yeah. Okay. Sige sir, kami na nga nagta-timeout dito sa table. Sinasabi na nga namin. Sige, pag na-shoot. Timeout! Ina-announce ko na nga eh. Ayun sir, harap may pagdududa pa kayo. 59 all. Ay, yun. Shoutout sa mga manonood natin dyan. Shoutout sa mga kapuso, kapamilya, kaibigan, kapatid. Yan. 59 all, 18 say. Penalty na, ha? Both team penalty. Pero may timeout pa kayo, boss, ha? Boss Ram, may timeout pa kayo, ha? Okay, reserve timeout tayo pag nakashoot. Ay, uubusin na ata yung 18 seconds. Ay, nag-14. Ay, yan, ha? Nagparinig na ako sa inyo ng uubusin. Gusto nyo dyan, ha? Gusto nyo may matitira, ha?
5 seconds.
Nako po! Sinasabi na eh. Panay! 10 seconds. Up! 10 seconds. Ay, naku! Nanganib ang palamig namin. Wala kami sponsor. Taupi. To a presto. 5 seconds. Sino yun? Passer only! Kaya nga sabi ko yung boss, passer only. Exacto. Oo nga, nung pumasok na passer. 61. Wala nang dribble. Touch and shoot na lang. Buzzer na lang to, ha. Ayan na. Ayun.